Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned chicken taste better. First, always drain and rinse your canned chicken well to reduce its sodium content and improve its texture. Next, introduce fresh elements like chopped herbs such as parsley or cilantro. These add a vibrant, fresh taste. A small squeeze of lemon juice can also brighten the flavor profile significantly, cutting through any metallic notes. These simple steps lay a great foundation for a more enjoyable meal. To elevate the texture and richness, consider sautéing the drained chicken. Briefly cook it with finely diced onions and minced garlic until fragrant. This builds a savory base. For a creamier consistency, stir in a couple of tablespoons of mayonnaise or plain Greek yogurt. If you prefer a richer mouthfeel, a tablespoon of melted butter or a drizzle of good olive oil can make a significant difference, transforming the chicken into a more satisfying ingredient. Don't shy away from bold seasonings to transform your canned chicken. A pinch of smoked paprika, a dash of cumin, or a touch of chili powder can introduce exciting new flavors. For a quick and easy upgrade, toss the chicken with your favorite sauce, like a vibrant pesto or a tangy barbecue sauce. Integrating diced vegetables such as bell peppers or celery also adds a pleasant crunch and boosts the nutritional value, making your dish more complete. Canned chicken is incredibly versatile for quick meals. Try it in a refreshing chicken salad with grapes and walnuts, or as a savory filling for sandwiches and quesadillas. It also works wonderfully in comforting casseroles or mixed into pasta dishes for a protein boost. For more great ideas, and to bring your space to life with smart technology, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link to this and other fantastic deals in the description below. Enjoy your delicious, enhanced canned chicken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.